If you're walking the streets of Walla Walla in the morning and you smell something incredible, there's a pretty good chance it's coming from the Maple Counter Cafe. Eye-catching and delectable dishes have guests packing the house for both breakfast and lunch. With food like this, it makes sense that there's usually a line out the door.
I love this place. I love Walla Walla.
Honestly, the pancakes are some of the best I've ever had in my life.
The best eggs Benedict you can get anywhere.
Ultra decadent, rich, amazing. It's hard to beat.
There was already such a great food culture and the agriculture around the area, people using fresh ingredients, local ingredients.
Owner Cory Nagler knows that in order to make food that looks and tastes as good as this, you have to have fresh ingredients of all kinds.
During the spring and the summer, we're getting a huge influx of different vegetables and fruits. We're in a big wheat area, and we actually hooked up with a local wheat farmer. One of our neighbors is a butcher here in town, and we get all our chorizo from him.
Yeah.
It's actually just a guy walking over with a thing, waving to the folks in the back, and that small town feel.
It's one of those quintessential breakfast places where you just kind of feel like it's home cooking but elevated, all of the traditional dishes that you love, but more.
When you know where something came from and you have a emotional connection to it, it does make the food taste better. But then when the food actually does taste better, then it's a win-win.
Like, yeah. Gotta keep doing that.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Don't go anywhere, because later in the show, Cory and I will be making their famous Blueberry Cobbler French Toast. I'm a two-handed cracker. I'll try it one-handed, but I don't know if
Give it a shot.
Ooh, I did it!
Perfect.
And no shell.
Exactly.